our channel. My name is Miss Kami and I have my special guest with me again today. Her name is Kenya. Kenya, please say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Good. And today we're showing you how to make a simple DIY dry pasta which is colored. This is not for cooking, but the beauty with this is you get an end result that looks somewhat like this depending on whatever pasta you use. And these are really good when it comes to color sorting or threading and that kind of stuff. So we're just going to go right into it. We're going to have some pasta and basically whatever amount of pasta you want is what you use, and we're just going to put it into a bowl. So we've put about 2 handfuls of pasta into our bowl, and then we're going to use some vinegar. We're using substitute vinegar for this, and we're going to put 1 teaspoon of the vinegar. Okay, Kenya, you can hold this for me. I have both hands on the table so that we don't make a mess. Hold the bowl. Yes. So we're going to do our 1 teaspoon of substitute vinegar, put it into your pasta, and then you're going to use whatever color you want. Now the thing is, if you want different colored pasta like this one, you need to do each color in a separate batch, but today we're just going to do 1 color. So Kenya, you're going to choose if you want green pasta or blue pasta.
Blue.
She'd like blue pasta. Magic words?
Please.
Blue pasta, please. Alright, so for the, if I can get this open, okay. So we're just using blue food color, and you're going to put a few drops. Just a few, not too much. And you're going to pour it on top of your pasta. Now Kenya, what you can do is you can cover your pasta with a lid. This will get a bit noisy, yeah. But this is also a good sensory opportunity for your child. Be careful. This is also a good sensory opportunity for your child. So you're going to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, and shake all the pasta. Is your pasta blue?
Not yet.
Not yet. Let's open it and see. You see some of the pasta is not yet completely saturated in the food color. So what you do, you just need to cover it and keep shaking. Shake it always. Let's see. So our pasta still isn't completely saturated, and if that's the case, just add a bit more food color. So this is pretty much, you eyeball it depending on how dark you want your pasta to be or how light you want it to be. Alright, cover it and shake, shake, shake. Make sure when you're doing the shaking part that your container is completely leak proof so that you don't get food color all over your house and your clothes. Alright, shake, shake, shake. Alright, good job. So our pasta now is a nice dark blue. So what you're going to do is, in your baking tray, just line it with some foil so that you don't mess your baking tray. And Kenya, you can pour out your pasta onto the foil. Good job. And then you just separate it like that so that it gets enough space to dry out. If you have a spoon nearby, feel free to use a spoon just to separate the pasta so that they don't dry on top of each other. This is not going to go into the oven. All you need to do is just place it somewhere out of reach. So for us, we will put it up here, out of reach, and you can check it within about an hour's time. It should be nice and ready, and your end result, depending on what you do, comes out like this. Nice, bright, colorful pasta that the children can use for stringing activities, even just as a shaker, for lots of fun activities, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you like these kind of videos, please let us know. We'll come up with more and more different DIY activities that you could do at home that are safe for you to do with your child. That's all for today. Bye. Bye.